Namaste and hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss a very interesting topic, fitness. It is important for all of us. It is important for us to stay fit. Some people like to run every day. Some people like their gym and equipment. Some of you might like yoga. Some of you might like Zumba. Some of you might just like to stick to Pilates. Everyone has their own comfort in different forms of fitness. But what really is fitness and what is the core of fitness? Let's ask our guest today, who understands the complete ecosystem of fitness. He's done it all, from running a large chain of gyms to training the trainers and to bringing fitness at your doorstep. Please welcome Pankaj Suri, the founder and CEO of Fluid Chain of Gyms. Hi Pankaj, how are you?
Hi Joey, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I've always loved to keep myself fit, so I was really looking forward to this session to learn more about fitness from you. You know, Pankaj, I've always wondered that you are a CA by profession, but you've got into the fitness industry, and for so long you've been running a successful fitness business. So, how did you manage to do that?
It all started 16 years ago. I was a fitness enthusiast looking for a good gym. So it all happened suddenly when we started with one fitness center. Then it all wrapped up, and we had started making more centers.
Nice.
So yeah.
You know, over the years, I've also noticed that earlier there used to be, as you speak of gyms, there used to be small gyms, then there started coming the chain of gyms. And now you see different type of fitness gyms and specialized gyms for weights. So, you know, how is this industry changing? It's an ever changing industry, it seems. So, would like to know what you feel and how this is changing for you.
So initially, when we started, it was more of a say bodybuilding kind of gyms. So it was more of a cult gym. Then came the lifestyle gyms which we were into, and then it started all mushrooming around the corner gyms. Uh, and now you can see alternate form of exercises have come up. So people are experiencing different things of fitness right now.
True. Fitness is also changing its dimensions. You know, it's really ever changing because fitness has now diversified into pilates, yoga, running, weights, you know, different things. So how do you explain that? You know, how is the industry changing, and with this in changing industry, especially in the current times, what are your plans?
So as far as fitness is concerned, I think fitness remains the same. Okay, so the medium has changed over the years. So the market has grown, people have increased. So new segments have come up. So the core bodybuilders still remain, and the fitness enthusiasts still go to the parks in the morning, and the alternate form of exercise come up, and they have gathered new people into these regimes which are following and exercising. So I think the market has expanded.
True, true. And what are your plans? What are you planning to do as the industry is one of the most affected industries in the current times?
So when we started long time back, we analyzed and experienced the kind of quality of trainers, and the ecosystem was lacking. So we developed a, in, an institute saying IIFEM for the training of the trainers. I think the trainers should be well educated and well communicated in the terms of how to give a good experience to their customers. So we have started this initiative where we are training the trainers and with the continuing education. So we target to give them new exercises, new trends in the market through an education medium which is online, purely online. So they don't have to go there, and they can learn from their own pace, and they can get certified. They learn new trends in the market for their clients and all that stuff. So we have started this, and more than that, along with this, we have started an app which is called Shape Me Now, and through this, people can actually work out while working out in gym, while working out in parks, while working out at their home, and they can do the free training just like other apps. And along with that, they can ask their trainers and they can make their schedules on the app and they can follow and they can check their progress and everything is there. So technology actually has come up in a new form of way in this time.
That's actually very interesting, you know, and it makes me think that today, with everyone working from home and doing a workout from home, it has become more and more important for everyone to find their own fitness regimes and their own comfort fitness, you know. So, some people believe in just using equipment, and some people believe in just doing a yoga. But at the same time, what is the most important thing when it comes to fitness from home? You know, is it first important for us to have all the equipment? मेरे को तो समझ नहीं आता कि मैं वर्कआउट घर से कैसे करूं.
So that's interesting. Actually, fitness always has been very personal, so it has to be relative. So for a bodybuilder, a fitness is different. For a gymnast, a fitness is different. For say a simple housewife, fitness might be different. So the basic remains the same. Your goal needs to be clarified in your mind. So what do you want to achieve from this? So while working out from home or working out from gym or from park or anywhere, you need to actually first emphasize on your goal. Then along with your goal, you have to start your training. And then according to your training, what equipment do you need? Then you have to go for that equipment. Rather, people are doing it other way around. So they are buying the equipment first and then they are looking for different exercises. It has to be other way around.
Absolutely. You know, for the common man, I hear and see so many people who are more concerned about how do I get the right equipment home? You know, how do I do my spot reduction? How do I gain the weight on my muscle that I need to? I'm too thin, I'm too fat, you know. So there is not really goals that they're setting for themselves and they're believing for themselves. So is that the most important first step when you have to set and get yourself into a fitness regime?
So there can be two kind of goals. Okay, one is you can see which you can look at, and the other which you can feel. So I think the feeling is more important than looking. So might be a power lifter looks like a fatty guy to you, but he might be fit and he is doing his sport very well than other. So what kind of fitness do you need according to your requirement might be different. So spot reduction and weight loss, I really doubt that's fitness. That's you can see that's the look and the view you can see from outside. But fitness is a lifestyle, so you have to feel it basically.
You know, but at the same time, it's interesting you say that. But a lot of people don't really know the true meaning of fitness. You know, some people still at the same time, some people just want to get thin or they just want to lose weight from their stomach. So, say if I know my goals, you know, I know that I want to lose these many kgs in the next 6 months. And I've set my goals. I don't have the gym in the current times to go to. So, do I really need a personal trainer or can I set the goals themselves?
So while you can set your goals yourself also, but a personal trainer can always help. So he might evaluate you in such a way that you cannot yourself. And more than that, he can handhold you, he can check your progress, he can push you a little harder. So his knowledge is required, but I don't think so. At first go, you need a personal trainer, but he must be required at some point.
Okay. And when you refer to the app and you must have interacted with so many customers who want to get fit and fitness is very important to them. So what is the first thing that comes to you as a question from the customers when it comes to their fitness? What is it that they're looking for today?
So first of all, customer needs an orientation regarding what their fitness goal should be like. So they actually really don't know what fitness they are looking at. So I think they need a little counseling as to what kind of fitness they need, and how much time would they need per day or per week to reach their goals. A little chart, as in progress chart, just to give a motivation. So the long term goal versus the short term goals, just to get a little motivated.
Okay, so that also brings up another question in my mind that some people think that 6 months mein gym jaungi or that's enough. I'm going to gain the toning and I'm going to gain the muscle weight that I need. I'll lose the inches from my stomach. So is that a myth or is it true? So it's about continuation and continuity in your fitness regime, or it's about a fixed duration where minimum 6 months you have to go to the gym and you will be fine.
जिम का ऐसा है कि जिम इज लाइक फिटनेस इज लाइक आपका एक करियर है, एक गोल की तरह है which keeps on moving as you achieve a certain milestone. So your targets, your goals need to be moved when you reach a certain milestone. So while you just imagine when you were young, you wanted to have a car, you wanted to have a house. Now that you have one, you want two. People who have two, people want more. So similarly, fitness, when you reach a certain goal, you need to enhance your goals further and break your long-term goals into short-term goals. So this is how fitness should be. So लोग बहुत बार बोलते हैं कि हम 6 महीने कर लिया है, बहुत फिट हो गए हैं, बहुत पतले हो गए हैं, अब छोड़ देते हैं. It's something which is lifestyle. So ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो बिना फिटनेस के रह नहीं सकते, जिनको रोज जिम जाना है और जिनको लगता है कि इसके बिना हमने दिन में शायद कुछ मिस किया है. So fitness is all about lifestyle.
ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट है एंड आई थिंक फिटनेस सबके शेड्यूल में आ जाना चाहिए. फिटनेस शुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ एवरीवन्स लाइफ rather than it being a one time goal. मेरे को तो अपना रूटीन बहुत पसंद था. I used to go to the gym every morning, but in this time I have learned a lot of alternate ways of keeping fit, and I've always been into yoga and meditation too. So that has been my alternate method to fitness. But at the same time, I really need an environment to keep working out. मेरे को वो motivation चाहिए होता है. जिम में जाके मेरे को अच्छा लगता था कि मैं अगर किसी से बात भी नहीं करती पर मेरे आसपास there's so many people working out with really good goals. So it was a motivation seeing them work out, to work out well yourself and do it continually. So how do you manage that, when you need an environment, when you need to have that backup and the backing, that's you need that little push. मेरे को थोड़ा सा वो push चाहिए होता है किसी से exercise करने के लिए. So how do you do that now?
So there are two things. One is social angle, and one is your progress. So while going to a gym has this social angle keep you very entangled with your people, with your friends and everyone. So I personally think कि जिम में आप जो सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन वाला जो कॉन्सेप्ट था उसको उतना एम्फोसाइज नहीं देते थे. तो while in these times when you are working out alone at home, तो इस समय आपका वो जो सेल्फ अप्रेजल वाला जो अकाउंटेबिलिटी है वो थोड़ा सा बढ़ गया है. तो अभी social angle can be done through digital mediums, just like in app you can see what your friends are doing and how they are performing, just like remember ice bucket challenge, something like that. So people can always see what other people are doing.
So
But
that
similarly,
in the Shape Me Now app, you can also see your other friends working out and everything.
you can see what the average person can achieve in this time duration, and where you are at in terms of, say, in the average you are above average, below average, so where do you stand, you can always see that. So उससे आपको ये पता चल जाता है कि whether I am at par with the other people or I am doing great, I am doing a little slow. So आपको थोड़ा सा idea लगता है. So more or less what I was saying is जो सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन वाला अकाउंटेबिलिटी है और जो self appraisal है, that has come into the picture right now. So people are more accountable to their routine rather than somebody looking at you. तो जिम में क्या होता था, while you have gone there, तो बहुत लोग तो सोशल एंगल में ही अपना एक्सरसाइज और वो थोड़ा सा पीछे कर देते थे. तो अभी वो चीज नहीं है. अभी यू कैन मोर फोकस ऑन योर बॉडी, यू कैन लिसन टू योर बॉडी, और आप देख सकते हो कि वेदर यू आर डूइंग इट ऑल राइट और नॉट, वेदर इट्स एक्सरसाइज से आपको फर्क भी पड़ रहा है कि नहीं. आप थोड़ा सा ज्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट ज्यादा कर सकते हो.
Very true. Fitness, you have to listen to your body, you know. जिस दिन लगता है कि no, today we don't have the energy, उस दिन you can't work out. No matter how much you push yourself, but you can't work out. So you definitely have to listen to your body every time. Very true. Also, you made a very valid point, you know, right now when you said that now people actually not doing it for a social cause. Fitness was all about impressing others socially, or it was a drawing room conversation, you know, that I go to the gym. Oh, you know, it's my routine to do Pilates. Oh, I love to do yoga. But now in this lockdown, that's not really true. You know, I think everyone is realizing the importance of fitness for themselves, you know. So you made a very valid point there, but at the same time this brings me to another question, which is that fitness has always been very fashionable also, and with the over the years it's got more and more fashionable. It is now diversified into Pilates, it's diversified into Zumba, it is just diversified into spinning. So there's so many different types. So what do you really feel is the right mix for a consumer? You know, so many people are confused कि उनको क्या करना चाहिए. उनको योगा करना चाहिए, उसके साथ जिम भी, पिलाटेस भी, क्या करना चाहिए उनको? So what is the right mix of fitness, if I can call it that?
So you can say, for me, basic fitness always remains the same. Okay. So that is like आपका body weight exercises that can be done either through a yoga form or stretching or something like that. But just be on a cherry on the cake, you can always have these different form of exercises now and then. You can do that just to keep you a little energized, और कुछ नया करते रहोगे तो थोड़ा सा आपको मजा भी आता है, जस्ट टू स्पाइस अप योर फिटनेस regime. क्योंकि नॉर्मली लोग ना बहुत मोनोटनी आ जाता है तो थोड़ा ब्रेक लेने का कोशिश करते हैं. उनको लगता है कि हाँ अलग अलग फॉर्म करेंगे, अलग लोगों से भी मिलने को मिलेगा, अलग तरीके से करेंगे तो बॉडी भी थोड़ा सा मोनोटनी ब्रेक करेगा तरीके. और थोड़ा सा मतलब नया फॉर्म करने में थोड़ा सा आदमी कुछ नया सीखता है तो उसको मजा भी आता है, थोड़ा एडवेंचरस लगता है कि हाँ यार मैं कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं कर सकता हूँ. तो आई बिलीव नाउ एंड देन यू कैन ट्राई न्यू थिंग्स, दैट्स देयर इज नो हार्म, बट बेसिक फिटनेस रिमेन्स द सेम. आपको आपकी बॉडी को थोड़ा पुश करना है, थोड़ा सा बॉडी से रिस्पॉन्स लेना है और अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि हाँ आपकी बॉडी को वो सूट कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है. और आपका एक गोल होना चाहिए जो कि ब्रेक करके आप शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स बनाओ. While achieving them, you have to treat yourself in one way or another. और आपको long term goals की तरफ बढ़ना चाहिए, and you have to keep moving your goals further. So while you have achieved something, you have to push your goal a little ahead, और फिर उसकी तरफ दोबारा आपको short term करके break करके छोटे छोटे goals बना के फिर long term goals पे जाना.
Interesting. So are you saying that it is important to have a one core fitness regime, which is a part of everyone's activity, and then variety के लिए या monotony break करने के लिए, because हाँ आप सही बोल रहे हो कि monotony बहुत आ जाती है. So उसको break करने के लिए probably every 3 months या 4 months a different type of fitness can be added to your regime, but you should still stick to that one fitness you know, method, or you know, anything that you've been doing. Is that right?
Yeah. So देखिए बेसिकली आपका जो करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ फिटनेस है वो आपके स्पोर्ट पे डिपेंड करता है. आप अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आप बॉक्सर हो तो आपका फुट मूवमेंट, आपका स्टेमिना, आपका पंचेस, आपका वो बेसिक वो है तो उसकी प्रैक्टिस आपको हमेशा करनी पड़ेगी. बट जस्ट टू इंक्रीज दैट आपको एजिलिटी और स्टेमिना इंक्रीज करने के लिए आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज करनी पड़ती है जस्ट टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग अदरवाइज. तो
Right.
वो कुछ नई चीज का आपने देखा होगा, क्रिकेटर्स कई बार फुटबॉल खेल रहे होते हैं, कई बार वो रग्बी खेल रहे होते हैं, तो उसमें वो फिटनेस ही ढूंढ रहे होते हैं, लेकिन उनका एक्साइटमेंट और नया गेम सीखने का वो जो होता है वो सब चीजें होती है. क्योंकि हर बार कुछ नए गेम में कुछ नई मसल्स और कुछ नया स्टेमिना और एक्सरसाइज और पावर का जरूरत होता है. तो बॉडी को कुछ नया मिलता है तो वो थोड़ा एक्साइटमेंट आता है.
Yeah, sports in fact has a completely different angle and take to fitness, right? Because people who are into sports, they need a completely different type of fitness. Outdoor fitness is also an important part of their regime.
Yeah.
Now, as you mentioned, IIFEM has been your baby, and it's about training the trainer. So I would like to ask you a little bit in that because it's very interesting and it is in fact really nice. And kudos to you for in these times you already have an alternate model where you are doing so many things to still give people that comfort of fitness. So let's talk about IIFEM first. And if you can tell me a little bit about what is IIFEM about and how do you manage to train the trainer?
So 2 years back, we started this initiative where we wanted the trainers to continue education. So इंडिया में क्या होता है कि ट्रेनर ने एक बार कोई सर्टिफिकेशन कर लिया या एक बार उसका बॉडी बन गया, तो वो उसका लाइफ टाइम के लिए उसको लगता है कि मैं सर्टिफाइड हो गया, नाउ आई डोंट हैव टू स्टडी एट ऑल एंड सो क्या हो रहा है कि हर 6 महीने साल में कुछ नया एक्सरसाइज रिजीम आता है, कुछ नया ट्रेंड आता है मार्केट में, कुछ नया इक्विपमेंट आता है, तो थ्योरीज भी चेंज होती हैं। तो ट्रेनर्स को अपडेटेड रहना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि क्लाइंट बहुत कुछ पढ़ते हैं आजकल, क्लाइंट को बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, तो दे कीप आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस, तो ट्रेनर्स को अपडेटेड रहना बहुत जरूरी है। दूसरा, आपको कंटिन्यूइंग एजुकेशन किसी भी प्रोफेशन में बहुत जरूरी है। बी जैसे मैं चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हूँ तो पूरे सेमिनार्स होते हैं हमारे, जैसे हर साल नया फाइनेंस बिल आता है, बजट आता है, तो हर साल हमें वो नए क्लासेस लेना होता है। देयर आर सर्टेन lessons, certain hours you need to do your continuing education just to keep you updated. So वैसे ही ट्रेनर्स के लिए क्या नया नया हम कोर्सेज बना रहे हैं, स्मॉल मॉड्यूल्स नॉट बिग, एंड उसमें बहुत ही हमने प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन डाला है थ्योरीज का। तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा साइंस साइंस नहीं पढ़ा रहे उन्हें, हम केवल ये दिखा रहे हैं कि आपको क्लाइंट को कैसे इजी तरीके से प्रैक्टिकली थ्योरीज कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करनी है, कैसे उनके शेड्यूल्स नए तरीके से बनाने हैं, कैसे इवैल्यूएट करना है कस्टमर का प्रोग्रेस को, उनके चैलेंजेस कैसे हैं, आपका कम्युनिकेशन कैसे है होना चाहिए कस्टमर के साथ।
ट्रेनर्स जब शेड्यूल बनाते हैं तब ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, इट इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट टू नो योर क्लाइंट्स बॉडी टाइप एंड एपेटाइट टू वर्क आउट. You know, if you give a client who's got a medium capacity of working out, and the trainer gives a very rigorous schedule, the client will never be happy, you know, because उसको हमेशा लगेगा कि वो नहीं कर पा रहा. ट्रेनर चाहे कितना भी पुश करे, बट एक कस्टमर का बॉडी टाइप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. So how is that gap bridged? You know, how do you manage to train the trainers and tell them that, you know, that this is very important for consumers?
So body type if you see, तो humans और say apes में भी केवल 1% का DNA difference होता है, so 99% तो we are same, okay, so even 1% is the so much difference, so basically humans are all same. So when you say मेरी body के हिसाब से क्या बनेगा, उसका मतलब ये होता है कि आपकी बॉडी में मस्कुलर इम्बैलेंसेस क्या है, आपकी बॉडी में कहाँ पे कौन सी बॉडी को ज्यादा स्ट्रेच करने की जरूरत है, कौन सी बॉडी वीक है, कौन सा पार्ट किसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर रहा है। सो वो इवैल्यूएशन बहुत जरूरी है, रादर देन मेरे लिए क्या शेड्यूल बनेगा, उसका एक इवैल्यूएशन टेक्निक है। सो व्हाइल डूइंग से फॉर एग्जांपल हम स्क्वाट है, तो स्क्वाट में आपका एंकल भी वीक हो सकता है या स्टिफ हो सकता है, आपका हिप फ्लेक्सस भी स्टिफ हो सकता है। सो व्हाइल डूइंग परफॉर्मिंग दैट एक्सरसाइज द ट्रेनर कैन इवैल्यूएट कि हाँ कमी कहाँ पर है और कहाँ पे काम करने की जरूरत है, सो दैट कि जो आपकी मेजर एक्सरसाइजेस है वो ढंग से परफॉर्म हो और आपकी बॉडी में जो रिस्पॉन्स आना चाहिए वो रिस्पॉन्स आए। तो हम अपने कोर्सेज में उनको वो इवैल्यूएशन कैसे करना है उस पर ज्यादा एम्फेसिस दे रहे हैं, क्लाइंट को कहाँ पे कमी आ रही है, कहाँ पे उसको बैलेंस करके करना है, सो दैट इट्स लाइक अ कार विद 4 व्हील, अगर एक पंचर होगा तो गाड़ी नहीं चलेगी। सिमिलरली बॉडी में आपका जैसे कोई भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मसल है, तो अगर एक मसल काम कर रहा है दूसरा उसको सपोर्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है, तो वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट वीक मसल जस्ट टू मेक श्योर कि वो जो मसल काम कर रहा है दोनों साथ में काम कर रहे हैं और बॉडी में वो रिस्पॉन्स आए। तो उसके लिए जो हम काम कर रहे हैं ना, वो कोर्सेज में हमने प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज बहुत ज्यादा डाला है, जो कि अदरवाइज वो बाकी कोर्सेज में क्या होता है उसमें वो उनको साइंस इतना पढ़ा देते हैं कि वो ट्रेनर साइंस नहीं पढ़ना चाहता,
And it's not relatable then.
एप्लीकेशन देखना चाहता है। तो हमने क्या किया, हमने कोर्सेज को 3 वैरायटी में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया। वन इज योर प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग, वन इज योर न्यूट्रिशन एंड वन इज योर स्टीरॉइड्स या एनाबॉलिक्स, या जिसको लोग बहुत स्टिग्मा से देखते हैं लेकिन यूज सब करते हैं। तो हमने उसको फॉर इंफॉर्मेशनल पर्पसेस के लिए उसके भी कोर्सेज बनाए, सो दैट कि जो कोई भी यूज कर रहा है वो उसे तरीके से यूज कर ले एटलीस्ट, और कुछ नॉर्म्स उसको पता हो, कुछ बेंचमार्क्स पता हो, ताकि वो किसी को साइड इफेक्ट्स ना हो।
As you mentioned steroids, you know, I also then want to ask you that are steroids really compulsory? Should customers be using steroids?
It's not compulsory. Not even supplements are compulsory. These are complementary. So these are actually, when your diet is not giving you required amount of minerals or nutrients, then you are complementing it with your supplement. So when you are going to a national, international level of competitions, obviously you need to take something just to, औरों को उतना एडवांटेज नहीं होना चाहिए ना जो आपके पास नहीं है। तो डोपिंग में नहीं आना है और बाकी जितना लेना है और जो रिक्वायर्ड है, तो उसके लिए बहुत एक्सपर्ट नॉलेज लगता है। तो उसके भी कोर्सेज हैं, उसके भी एमडीज हैं। अब देखो ना, हिंदुस्तान में 5 साल के बच्चे को भी आप एंटीबायोटिक्स देते हो, 2 साल के बच्चे को भी देते हो, इंटरनेशनली इट्स बैंड। तो आपने बच्चे को एंटीबायोटिक दिया, सिमिलरली आपने बॉडी में वो एंटीबॉडीज को मारा, और सिमिलरली आपने एनाबॉलिक्स दिया ताकि आप बॉडी को ग्रो कर सकते हो, बॉडी को आप इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर ले सकते हो। सो इट्स ऑल has to be done in proper supervision, a proper monitoring with a certified trainer, with a nutritionist. Tab to everything is under control.
So guys, don't try it yourselves at home, please.
Yes, sure.
In our special segment, Bites Break, we are going to show you exercises you can do in the comfort of your own home. So put on your gear and get ready. This was Bites Break on fitness. Let's continue with our conversation now.
Another question which comes to my mind is, because you're doing such great initiatives, IIFEM, Shape Me Now are really great initiatives and sounds good. But what are you doing to ensure that the trainer and the customer both get benefited out of this?
Oh, very interesting question. For customers and trainers. So trainers, हम IIFEM में we are coming up with a course which is primarily for the online personal training. So right now, a lot of trainers are doing training on online. So they don't have a fixed parameters and fixed mechanism to deliver to their customers. तो कई लोग WhatsApp पे schedule हाथ से बना के दे रहे हैं, और कई लोग अपना सोशल मीडिया कैसे हैंडल करना है उनको नहीं आता है। सो बड़ा मिक्स एंड मैच चल रहा है। तो हमने क्या किया है, हमने एक ऑर्गेनाइज वे में एक कोर्स डेवलप किया है जिसमें हम ट्रेनर्स को सोशल मीडिया कैसे हैंडल करना है, अपने क्लाइंट को ऑनलाइन कैसे अप्रोच करना है, कैसे उसको इवैल्यूएट करना है, उसको कैसे डिलीवर करना है, और फिर उसको उसकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसे ट्रैक करनी है। तो इसका हमने पूरा एक कोर्स बनाया विच इज कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग विद आवर ऑनलाइन पर्सनल ट्रेनर कोर्स। So personal trainer and how to do it online. There are two separate courses which are bundled together to give services online to the customers. Because इस समय तो सब ऑनलाइन ही है, so digitally कैसे करना है, we are working on that, and say 10 days or so we'll launching this course.
Nice. So all the trainers who would like to reach out to you, and all the customers who would like to reach out to you, also let us know how they can do that.
So they can go to our page, Instagram page, they can go to our Facebook page, and they can follow and they can put up a query. We have a website called iiftm.com where they can see the courses and they can buy a demo course at 1 rupee just to check their credentials. And that's free course. They can see the chapters, how we teach, how the course is like, streaming kaisa hai, course ka quality kaisa hai. They can see the first chapters of all the courses. They can go through it for free and they can check कि कैसा course हमें मिलने वाला है.
And what about the customer side of it?
So customers के लिए तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. Customers के लिए हमने ऐप बनाया Shape Me Now. So जो हमारा ऑनलाइन कोर्स है उसमें हमने पूरा मॉड्यूल इस पे बनाया कि हाउ टू यूज द Shape Me Now ऐप. तो ऐप इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो जिम्स में नॉर्मली जो चैलेंज आता था वो ये आता था कि एवरी टाइम द ट्रेनर comes and the customer comes, so customer हर बार पूछता है सर आज क्या करो. So this is the most commonly asked question in the gym. सर आज क्या करो. So trainer ऐसे सोचेगा हाँ आज आप चेस्ट कर लो, और सर कितने से करूं, तो पूछता है कितने से किया था, कहता सर याद नहीं.
मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता है.
So please understand, जब आप दवाई खाते हो तो कितना mg लेना, that is more important along with the कौन सी दवाई ले रहे हो और कितनी लेनी है, दोनों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपको याद होगा आपके बच्चे छोटे होते हैं तो आपका जैसे जैसे उनका वेट बढ़ता है तो आपका दवाई का डोसेज भी बढ़ता है. सिमिलरली बॉडी में भी ऐसे ही होता है. तो जैसे जैसे आप अपना ओवरलोड बढ़ाएंगे मसल पे, तो मसल वैसे ही ग्रो करेगा. तो जितने भी एप्स आप फ्री देखते हो जिनके 1 मिलियन डाउनलोड्स हैं, 5 मिलियन डाउनलोड्स हैं, 10 मिलियन डाउनलोड्स हैं, उन ऐप में जो बिगेस्ट चैलेंज है वो ये है कि उसमें वो आपको वेट नहीं बताते कितना होगा, और वेट का प्रोग्रेशन और रिग्रेशन दोनों नहीं बताते. So while we have done in our app is the trainer has this tool to increase, to progress your overload and your regress your overload in a systematic manner so that आपको इंजरी नहीं हो. तो दो चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एक्सरसाइज करते समय. आपका ओवरलोड अगर ज्यादा है तो आपको इंजरी हो जाएगा, आपका ओवरलोड अगर कम है तो आपको रिजल्ट्स नहीं आएंगे. तो वो एकदम करेक्ट अमाउंट ऑफ ओवरलोड होना चाहिए और करेक्ट अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोग्रेशन होना चाहिए सो दैट कि आप स्मूथली उसको रिजल्ट देख पाओ बॉडी में. तो हमारी ऐप में हमने वो सारे फीचर्स डाले हैं जहाँ पे ट्रेनर कैन मैथमेटिकली गिव यू अ शेड्यूल व्हिच गिव्स यू अ प्रोग्रेशन either in the terms of more frequency or in terms of harder exercise or in terms of more overload as in weight. तो आप आज 100 किलो से कर रहे हो तो कल आप 102 किलो से करोगे, फिर 105 किलो से, something like that. So it can be done in a very scientific manner. So this is what we have done differently from other apps available in the market.
Okay, that's really nice because a lot of customers get confused right now because there's so many apps, but they don't know which one has the right trainer. I think because you're training the trainers and that is what you're offering to customers from Shape Me Now. So that's an excellent initiative. Great. So, I think we've got a lot of great insight and why fitness is important for everyone. And it's important to have your own goals rather than, just being concerned about the equipment or the type of fitness you're doing. So now I'm going to take you into my rapid fire round, which is my favorite round. So you have to answer these questions in very quickly in the first, whatever comes to your mind first. So let's start. Big biceps or strong legs?
Big biceps.
Six-pack abs or stamina?
Stamina.
Toned up or weight loss?
Toned up.
Inch loss or weight loss?
Inch loss.
While growing up, who inspired you for fitness? What was your inspiration?
Arnold.
Really? Okay. And who do you think is really an inspiration from Bollywood when it comes to fitness? Because everyone believes Bollywood celebrities have a lot of resources for fitness. So, but some of them are genuinely really, really good at fitness. So who's your inspiration?
Akshay Kumar.
Yeah. Pilates, spinning, gym, or yoga? Which is the most important according to you?
I can merge yoga with gym. So I'm a gym guy. Yeah, but yoga definitely, yeah. Very good.
Equipment or goal?
4.
Fitness as an education or fitness as a routine?
This is routine.
So the reason I asked you the last question is because a lot of people try and read a lot about fitness also now. You know, so fitness has become an education even for customers. So that is why fitness as a routine is important, or it's important to
Basically, if you don't have the application, so why would you need the education for?
Yeah, very true. So ending this session, would you like to give any message to the trainers and also to the customers?
Yeah, sure. So, hello friends. If you are a fitness enthusiast or you want to start a career or give your career a new dimension, you can always visit our website called iifem.com, where you can visit and see our courses. And we are launching more courses, say every 2 months, every 1 month. We are trying to cover as many aspects of fitness as possible and make those courses so easy to understand and apply, so that आपको वो courses में कोई problem ना आए और आपके application इतने strong हो कि आपके consumers को real benefit pass on हो सके. So my thing is कि आप एक बार वो iifem.com पे जरूर जाएं और डेमो कोर्स लेके आप एक बार कोर्स को जरूर देखें, which will give your career a new direction and a dimension. And for customers, I really want you to understand your fitness goal according to your personal need. आप प्लीज औरों के कहने से या उससे मत चलिए. आप प्लीज ये देखिए आपको फिटनेस का क्या यूटिलिटी है आपकी डेली लाइफ में, और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आप पहले अपना रूटीन शेप नाउ ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए. आप उसमें फ्री एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. And then when you feel like you need a trainer to give you a little push or give you a little instruction, तब आप ट्रेनर भी चूज कर सकते हैं. वरना आप अपना फ्री एक्सरसाइज रूटीन वहाँ पे बना सकते हैं, which can track your progress, और आप वहाँ पे नई नई एक्सरसाइजेस सब कुछ वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं.
Thank you so much. That was really great. And it was really, really fun chatting with you. And we learned so much about fitness, which is really, really important in today's date for everyone. So thank you so much, Pankaj, for joining us on Hattrick Bites.
The pleasure is mine.
So guys, that was a very interesting session we had with Pankaj, where we learned so much about fitness. We learned that fitness is not about all the equipment you have at home or you use. It is more about your goals you set for yourself. So set your goals for yourself and stay fit. For more insightful insight stories, stay tuned on Hattrick Bites. This is Juhi Khanna signing off.